us and our culture.
Riwruok jotije mbalariany ma pacho ka onyiso jokanyo gi mondo kik donje tich wuok tich kaponi ogiyudo osachgi. Jagoro margi Constantine Wasonga omedo ni Vice Chancellors mabendo winjo dhie yweyo owinjo tim kamano mar yawo yo ne jowetegi manyien mar donjo e apisegi. Omedo ni mago e moko kuom gik mabende deko chwalo chudo mag osach jokanyo gi konyisogi gigo tach e apise joma chulogi chieng' wuok tich kendo gibed kanyo nyaka chulgi.
I want to order all members of academic staff that come Monday, if you have not received your salary, don't work. Go to your various finance offices, wait there until you are paid. These Kibaki Vice Chancellors ought to have gone for terminal leave. They have refused to leave. Therefore, appointment of new vice chancellors cannot take place effectively. What interest do they have in our public universities? Why can't they go on leave so that the councils and the public service can advertise for new vice chancellors? As a union, we are concerned because there's nothing going on in our public universities. Want work, you will see all academic members of staff in this country downing their tools. We want vice chancellors who are due to move out immediately.